In the world of culinary innovation, hand blenders have become an indispensable tool for both professional chefs and home cooks. They offer convenience, versatility, and precision, making them a must-have in any kitchen. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best hand blenders you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Experience culinary magic with the Braun MK735X, ranked as the number 5 best hand blender. This innovative kitchen companion offers a symphony of emotions to elevate your cooking game. Embrace the world's first easy smart speed technology, where your intuition becomes the recipe. A gentle push for coarse chops, a firmer one for silken purees. It's your call. The groundbreaking active blade technology with its flexible shaft dances the blade for superior blending, ensuring no stray chunks, just velvety textures. Splashes are tamed with splash control, keeping your kitchen mess-free. The patented Power Bell Plus cranks up power and finesse, making quick work of any ingredient. Unleash your culinary creativity with the Easy Click Plus system, which effortlessly switches between attachments. Included are a corded hand blender, active blade blending wand, 20 ounces BPA-free beaker, whisk, 2C chopper, and blending wand. Priced at $74, this is a kitchen masterpiece that transforms cooking into an art form. Meet the Cuisinart Evolution X hand blender, a true kitchen marvel that transcends the ordinary. This stainless steel powerhouse, rated as the number 4 best hand blender, weighs a mere 1 pound, yet its 150 watts of pure energy make culinary dreams come alive. The Evolution X is a symphony of convenience and power, offering a quick charge of just 2 hours for a full revival, granting you 20 minutes of uninterrupted culinary creativity. Its LED display controls guide you through a smooth culinary journey, and with 7.4 volts of lithium-ion, it's ready for any blending challenge. But it's not just about functionality, it's about emotion. The Evolution X blends perfection with passion, making every meal an artful masterpiece. However, there's a catch. It's not dishwasher safe. For just $74, elevate your kitchen experience and infuse every recipe with a dash of magic. Discover the Vitamix Immersion blender, the heart and soul of every kitchen, a culinary masterpiece. With 5 variable speed settings and an illuminating LED display, this stainless steel wonder, weighing a mere 2.86 pounds, transforms meal preparation into a mesmerizing symphony of taste and texture. The ergonomic handle design ensures comfort, while the scratch-resistant blade guard keeps your cherished cookware looking pristine. This hand blender boasts a mighty 625-watt motor, ensuring every blending task is swift and effortless. As it swirls, you'll appreciate its stainless steel body harmonizing with your other kitchen appliances, adding elegance to your workspace. Simple assembly with a twist lock mechanism guarantees ease of use. Unveil the chef within you with the Vitamix Immersion blender, a true kitchen companion. Its exquisite performance and aesthetics are yours for just $119, offering the gift of culinary magic at your fingertips. Introducing the KOIOS 5-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender, a kitchen marvel that's more than just a tool. It's an emotion, a culinary companion. Ranked as the number 2 best hand blender, it's a symphony of convenience and power that caters to the heart of food lovers. This handheld dynamo offers versatility with its bundled attachments, including a hand blender, egg whisk, 600 ml beaker, 500 ml food chopper, and milk frother. It's a kitchen virtuoso. What sets it apart is its powerful 1,000-watt copper motor, promising lightning-fast blending with minimal noise and a remarkable lifespan. The 12-speed options and turbo boost cater to all your culinary desires, from creamy smoothies to hearty soups. The upgraded stainless steel blades ensure you can tackle the toughest ingredients without splatter. Its ergonomic design guarantees comfort and stability, and it's a breeze to clean, even dishwasher safe. Plus, with a lifetime guarantee, the KOIOS 5-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a lifelong commitment, all for an affordable $39. Experience the joy of blending with KOIOS. Say hello to the Mueller Austria Ultra Stick, the #1 choice for home chefs and bakers seeking culinary excellence. This hand blender is your ticket to culinary magic, effortlessly whisking up delectable meals and drinks in record time. Its stainless steel blades, sharper than Cupid's arrow, make it a breeze to blend, puree, or mix even the most stubborn ingredients with precision and grace. Powered by a robust 500 watts motor and a comfortable ergonomic handle, this 3-in-1 kitchen marvel marries style and substance for enduring performance. Fancy a delightful latte? Attach the frother head for a barista-quality experience in the comfort of your home. Customizable settings, including 9 speeds and a turbo mode, let you take control of your culinary destiny. And when the feast is over, cleanup is a breeze. Detach and pop the components into the dishwasher. At just $29, the Mueller Austria Ultra Stick is your partner in culinary adventures, turning your kitchen into a haven of flavors and emotions. Thank you for tuning in to today's tech-tastic journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. In the fast-evolving world of technology, staying up to date is essential, and we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just getting started, our channel is your go-to source for the latest reviews, tutorials, and insightful insights. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our tech-savvy community.